Chapter 1 of 3. And before any rule or any form, there is one idea worth getting straight. Most of the tax that moves through your business was never your money. If you run a small business or you are learning the books, this changes how you read your own bank statement. Here is what it means for your accounts, the 5 steps every tax cycle follows, and the 3 taxes that do the work. A customer pays you 11,800 rupees and your balance goes up by all of it, but only 10,000 is yours. That part is the sale, it is income, and it is the only part your profit and loss account will ever see. The other 1,800 is GST you collected for the government, a liability from the moment you raise the invoice, sitting in your bank until you deposit it. Spend it, and you are spending someone else's money, and you will still owe every rupee of it on deposit day. Your bank balance and your earnings are 2 different numbers, and this is where they part company. Whatever the tax, the cycle is the same 5 steps. You charge tax on your sales, you claim credit for the tax on your purchases, you deduct at source wherever the law requires it, you deposit both with the government, and then you file and reconcile against your books. The order matters as much as the steps. Skip step 2 and you overpay with your own money. Skip step 4 and you pay interest on money you were only holding. 3 taxes do all that work, and the names matter. GST, Goods and Services Tax, sits on the transaction itself, on every sale and every purchase. TDS, tax deducted at source, is held back from certain payments before the money leaves your hands. And TCS, tax collected at source, is added on top of specified sales. Each one gets its own account in your ledger, and not one of them belongs in your income. Chapter 2 takes each one into the ledger. That is the shape of it. In Chapter 2, we take each tax into the ledger, output GST, input credit, and the net you actually deposit. TDS from both sides, reverse charge, TCS, and e-invoicing, and one work journal where you can watch every rupee land, entry by entry.